Welcome to building your travel agency brand in the new era of AI. My name is Joni Ogg. You've survived the chaos, you've chosen your niche, and created a business plan. Your unique value proposition sets you apart, so now let's make it visible. In 2026, ignoring AI is as unrealistic as ignoring the internet. The world needs to know exactly who you are and what you offer. So let's create a brand that's unmistakable, memorable, and future-proof. Your logo is more than just an image. It's your brand's handshake with the world. It really needs to capture your value proposition in one glance, even when someone's half awake browsing late at night. Think about scalability. It must work perfectly everywhere, from tiny icons to giant signs. Stick with a few web-safe colors so that your logo always looks crisp and modern, and make sure everyone can see it clearly. And choose fonts that are bold and easy to read at any size, because no one should have to squint to recognize the business. When in doubt, keep it simple. Look at the swoosh or the apple, pure shapes that are instantly unforgettable on those logos that you know. Simplicity makes you memorable for the right clients, which is exactly what you want. Think about the logos that you do remember instantly. Nike, Apple, just a single image, simple and clear. That's the essence that we want, a logo that's simple, clean, and unmistakable. You don't need complex graphics or trendy fonts that will feel dated next year. If you're all about scuba trips to the Caribbean, your logo should say that at a glance. And when someone sees your logo, your business name, and tagline together, there should be zero confusion about what you do or who you serve. Simplicity helps your logo stay timeless and immediately recognizable for your ideal client. AI tools changed the travel game almost overnight. Clients can get instant itineraries, but they miss what truly matters. So what do you offer that technology cannot? It's your judgment, your real-world experience, your personal touch. You know that a so-called charming hotel might not be so charming in reality, and your brand is about trust, expertise, and those insights that no machine can replicate. Integrating AI into your workflow isn't just smart, it's a game changer for productivity. Let AI draft the basics so you can focus on crafting personalized experiences. And handle those midnight emergencies and anxious travelers with the empathy only human beings can bring. Your brand should highlight the irreplaceable value that you offer when technology hits its limits. And be open about your use of AI, but emphasize that your judgment and care are what truly do set you apart. Clients crave a real connection. Give them honesty, accountability, and the assurance that there's a human in their corner. Clients notice when you use AI to deliver a faster, smarter experience. Publishing content quickly and offering AI-powered planning shows you're up to date. A slick website signals that you understand today's tech expectations. In 2026, your website is your first handshake with a new client. And by the time someone reaches you, they've already been filtered by AI and comparison sites. Your online brand must immediately show what makes you special, not just another generic travel agency. If your value isn't clear in 7 seconds, your brand is still unfinished. Stationery is making a surprising comeback as a branding tool. A thoughtful, beautifully designed letter can break through the digital noise. And when everyone's crowding inboxes, a real piece of mail stands out and it feels personal. Imagine the impact of a handwritten thank you after a big booking. High-value clients appreciate the effort and the tactile experience. Stationery is an easy arrow to add. Most competitors don't even consider it anymore. Details like this reinforce your consistency and make your brand memorable. Your website is your brand's first real conversation with a client. You have just 7 seconds to show what makes you, not AI or OTAs, stand out. Your homepage must answer why someone should trust you with their travel. Fill your blog with authentic content drawn from your own travel expertise and client stories. And share destination reviews only a real traveler could write. Offer advice that's nuanced and based on real experiences, not just pulled from a database. And remember, consistent, valuable content grows trust and authority over time. Google rewards expertise, and so do clients. This is an asset that builds on itself. Share content that proves your deep knowledge and human touch. Let your lived experience and judgment shine. This is what sets you apart from any algorithm. Social media is now a must-have for your brand. It's not an option anymore. Every visual, every post should reflect your unique value proposition. Set clear goals for your platforms, whether it's growing your email list, building awareness, or generating leads, or even creating an engaged community. Each goal deserves its own content strategy. One size just doesn't fit all. So don't waste time on every channel. Focus only on platforms that truly connect with your audience and bring real results. If luxury safaris are your niche, LinkedIn and Instagram will serve you better than trying to go viral on TikTok. Let underperforming channels go so your energy produces impact where it really counts. Content creation feels less daunting with AI. Let it generate your first draft and then refine it so your expertise and your brand voice shines through. In 2026, your audience expects a professional, consistent social presence. They can tell instantly if you're not delivering that. Here's what really matters as we look ahead to 2026. It's not about giving up to algorithms or technology. The true winners are those who use every tool, including AI, but still put human expertise first. Your value is in the relationships and the accountability that machines can't match. And your brand should always make it instantly obvious who you are and what you do. Every single touch point, from your logo to your website, your stationery to your social, it needs to look and feel unified. Ultimately, your brand is the personal promise that you make to every client before they book. No algorithm can ever replicate the connection and trust that you create. That is the bottom line for building a future-proof travel agency. Thank you for watching this short video. We hope you've enjoyed it. If so, why not give it a like or a share? And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.